So we'll be solving the question 2 of the 2019 core mass theory questions. So question 2a, the slant height of a cone is 9.35 centimeters and the diameter of the base is 12 centimeters. Calculate correct to 3 significant figures the curved surface area of the cone. Take pi to be 22/7. So let's begin with the solution for our question 2a. We have a cone, and then our slant height, which is this side, is 9.35 centimeters. So the curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. And we know our L, which is the slant height. So that's 9.35. But we don't know our R. Now we are told that the diameter of the base is 12 centimeters. This is the base of the cone from here to here. So the radius will be half of the diameter of the cone. So we can say that our R should be equal to D/2. And this is equal to 12/2, which is 6 centimeters. So the curved surface area will be pi, which is 22/7, times R, which is 6, times L, which is 9.35. And this should give us 176.3143. But then we are being asked to correct to 3 significant figures. And so our curved surface area would be 176 centimeters squared if you correct to 3 significant figures. Alright, so we'll be moving on to the question 2b. Now before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. So moving on to 2b. We have 1/3 raised to the power x times 9 raised to the power 3 whole number 1/2, all divided by 3 is equal to 27 raised to the power 2/3. Now we can rewrite this as 1/3 all raised to the power x times 9 raised to the power 7/2, all divided by 3 is equal to 27 raised to the power 2/3. Alright, so this will give us 3 raised to the power negative x times. Now 9 is the same as 3 raised to the power 2. So we have 3 raised to the power 2, all multiplying 7/2, divided by 3 raised to the power 1 is equal to, so 27 is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. So we have 3 raised to the power 3, then 2/3. This gives us 3 raised to the power negative x times 3 raised to the power. So 2 cancels 2, we have 7, all over 3 raised to the power 1 is equal to, this cancels this, we have 3 raised to the power 2. Now in indices, when the bases are the same, you maintain one base and then you add the exponents. So we have 3 raised to the power negative x plus 7, all divided by 3 raised to the power 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. So then again, in indices, when we have the same base and they are dividing, we subtract the exponents. So we have 3 raised to the power negative x plus 7, then minus this 1 should be equal to 3 raised to the power 2. Now since the bases are the same, we can say that negative x plus 7 minus 1 should be equal to 2. So we can say that negative x is equal to 2 minus 7 plus 1. So negative x should be equal to negative 4. Now to make x the subject, we divide both sides by negative 1. So here by negative 1, here by negative 1. Negative 1 cancels this, negative cancels this. Our x will be equal to 4. Alright, so this brings us to the end of question 2b. So we'll be moving on to the question 3 of the 2019 Nov-Dec theory questions.